If you've been hearing about the T-Mobile data breach settlement and wondering if it's the real deal or just another internet scam, the story is more complicated than a simple yes or no. Back in 2021, a massive breach hit T-Mobile, exposing sensitive personal data for over 76 million users, everything from names and addresses to social security numbers. Fast forward, and T-Mobile agreed to a whopping $350 million class action payout to affected customers. On paper, it's completely legitimate, and if you filed a valid claim before the deadline, you're eligible to receive anywhere from $25 to as much as $25,000, depending on your losses and documentation. Payments officially began rolling out in May 2025 through PayPal, Venmo, direct deposit, or paper check, but here's where the experience starts to get murky. Some people have already received their funds and posted proof online, while others are stuck waiting without any updates despite having approved claims. The delays, lack of consistent communication, and confusion over payment methods have left many wondering if they'll ever see their money. So yes, the settlement itself is real, but for a lot of claimants, the process has been slow, uneven, and frustrating, raising questions about how smoothly such a huge payout can actually be handled.